We are staying in a concierge level room in the Italian Village, 3rd floor, room 3325. And you enter into the kids' room, which sleeps 3. Bunk beds, and then the trundle bed. So you have 3 twin beds in here. Plenty of storage, cabinets, TV. And then it also has its own sink. And the closet. You just ignore our luggage. And we cross in. This is a connecting room. Again, ignore the luggage. And you have the primary bathroom, only bathroom. So you have a large soaking tub and dual sink basins. There's the water closet and rainfall shower head for the shower. And another double closet here. Each closet has 2 robes, as well as umbrellas, because it will rain, or it could rain. Ironing board. And then there are shelves with a safe. And here is your beverage center. So you have glasses, microwave, coffee pot, and this room is concierge, so it does come stocked with soft drinks and water in the fridge. And because it's a family resort, you can request to order adult beverages. If you'd like wine or sparkling wine, you can do that. And there you can see, and one nice thing I noticed in the lobby is they do have flights listed, so you can see what's going on with your flight. Again, plenty of drawers. And the beautiful 4-poster king bed. So this room will sleep 5 people total. You have a desk in the corner. Cute little crab towel animal. And a nice comfortable sitting chair. And then we do have a balcony with a beautiful view. And the nice thing with these is they come with a towel rack, so you can put your wet things on it and not have to have them dry in the room. So table and chairs. And there's overlooking the Italian Village with the pool. Beautiful, and you can see a little bit of the bright blue Caribbean in the background. It's beautiful.